Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin steadies near $119,000, Ethereum hovers around $3,700, and Solana glides just under $200, yet the real action lies beneath the headlines. Ethereum headlines the day after exchange-traded funds soaked up over $2 billion last week, nearly doubling the previous record. That tidal pull helped Ether touch a 2025 peak and pushed total crypto valuation back above $4 trillion. Traders also light a symbolic torch non-fungible token ahead of Ethereum's 10th birthday, while developers ready the Fusaka scalability upgrade for early November. The banking gates creak wider. The freshly signed Genius Act supplies clear rules for stablecoins and tokenized collateral. JP Morgan wasted no time, sketching plans to lend against Bitcoin and Ether as early as next year. Meanwhile, Coinbase launches regulated perpetual futures for United States clients with leverage up to 10 times, offering a homegrown alternative to offshore venues. Solana races to a 5-month high, buoyed by $1.5 billion in new open interest and Jito Labs' proposal for a block assembly marketplace that could turn the network into a decentralized stock exchange. Layer 1 rivals sense momentum shifting. Dogecoin rockets over 30% on BitOrigin's $500 million treasury plan, while XRP rewrites its all-time high after exchange-traded fund speculation. The altcoin swell mirrors a slide of almost 7 percentage points in Bitcoin dominance, echoing a capital rotation not seen since late 2023. Strategy, the firm formerly known as MicroStrategy, keeps stacking sats. A $740 million purchase lifted its trove to more than 607,000 Bitcoin. It also unveiled Stretch preferred shares with a 9% starting dividend, courting capital from traditional money funds. Analysts think the product could redirect billions as investors seek yield plus indirect Bitcoin exposure. On the fee front, Pump Fund pulls in $10 million a week, yet its pump token languishes below initial offering price, while rival Bonk basks in friendlier sentiment. Non-fungible tokens stay lively too. A mass sweep of CryptoPunks jolted Pudgy Penguins and lifted the Penju token more than 26%. Regulation and risk loom large. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell faces political pressure ahead of a speech on bank oversight, and Deutsche Bank warns 30-year yields could jump if he is forced out, a backdrop that could jolt crypto funding costs. In the courts, Roman Storm's defense eyes a mistrial after agents failed to tie stolen funds to Tornado Cash, a reminder that legal clarity remains patchy. Cybersecurity returns to the stage. Over 3,000 websites now run stealthy Monero miners, proving cryptojacking is back in slimmer, sneakier form. Yet institutional appetite appears undeterred. ARK Invest shifted $175 million from Coinbase and Robinhood into Bitmine Immersion, the largest corporate Ether holder, likening the move to fueling a turbo boost in Super Mario Kart. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready. This podcast is automated by artificial intelligence and is for information purposes only. Nothing stated constitutes legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.